Let's examine the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, we have the different types of waves here, starting from radio waves going all the way up to gamma rays. We have these black bars to tell us how wavelength, energy, and frequency change. Now notice for wavelength, we have long wavelengths. This is like 100 meters towards the left of the screen, and short wavelengths. This is a very tiny wavelength towards the right of the screen. So the wavelength increases towards the left. However, frequency increases towards the right. So we have low frequencies here for radio waves and very high frequencies for gamma rays. Energy behaves the same way as frequency. So we have low energy when we have low frequency, and we have high energy when we have high frequency. Again, long wavelengths when we have high energy and high frequency. Short wavelengths when we have high energy and high frequency. Now, to remember the order of these waves, we have a few mnemonics from low to high frequency, which is, again, the same as from long to short wavelengths. Okay, to remember this order, we can use this mnemonic. Rich men in Vegas use X-ray goggles. The first letter of each word is in red, matching up with the first letter of each of these words. For example, goggles corresponds to gamma rays, use corresponds to ultraviolet, etc. So that would be a mnemonic to help us remember the order of these. Again, that's in decrease in wavelength. This is the way we are going about it. Increase in energy or increase in frequency. If they ask us to order these types of electromagnetic waves in decrease in frequency, we'll have to use the mnemonic in reverse order. Now, for the visible portion of the light, the colors that we see, we can use this mnemonic here, Roy G. Biv. R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, green for G for green, B for blue, indigo, and violet. Now we have this other alternative if you'd like to mix them up. So we have Rasian Martians invaded. So this is the same, RMI. And then we jump into the visible portion and we say Roy G. Biv, red, green, blue. And then we have ultraviolet, X-ray, and guts.